Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a Windows 10 virtual machine using VirtualBox. So first you're going to go to virtualbox.org and then click the big download button. And then go to your OS of choice. Click Windows and then it's going to start downloading. You're going to look up Windows 10 Enterprise and then click download the ISO. So then you're going to fill out your information. It doesn't mean anything. I've put random stuff in before. After that, it'll bring you to this page. Click ISO 64-bit edition. And then it is 5 gigabytes, so you might need a pretty good internet connection to download this in a reasonable amount of time. You're going to go into VirtualBox, click on New, and then name your VM. And then you're going to select what version it is. So mine is Microsoft Windows, and it is version 10, 64-bit. Then you're going to click Next. I recommend giving it 4 gigs of RAM. Now you're going to set it to create a virtual hard disk. Next. Then just click Next, Next. And then this is where you set how big, basically how much storage it has. I'm going to set mine to 32. Then click Create. Now you're going to go to Settings and then go to Network. This is if you want internet. You're going to click Bridge Adapter and then you're going to change it to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So I will set mine to my Wi-Fi network and then drop down then click Allow All. Now that you've done all that, you're going to go to the top and click Start. Now it's going to ask you, select a startup disk. You're going to click the little icon to the right of it, and then you're going to click Add, and then wherever you downloaded that file. So mine is right here from yesterday, because I'm not doing it again. You're going to click Open, then you're going to select it, and then click Choose, and then Start. Now from here, all you have to go through is Next, Install. I have figured out on this next page that you have to do Custom Install, and then just select it, and then Next. If you wanted to sign in locally, just click Domain Join, and then you don't have to use Microsoft. While you're setting this up, just some simple advice when you're going through the Windows setup: turn all of these off, unless you need the location or the Find My, because this just sends stuff to Microsoft. Now, as you can see, that only took about 10 minutes to get set up and going. Now, I have internet all coming through the virtual machine, and it's just like a normal Windows install. And once you're done, just click Close and power off. Now you have a virtual machine whenever you want. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.